check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
This one's all done. I did the big letters over here, and then I was trying to figure out what to do with the car. Originally I was going to paint it on, but I think I want to bedline this whole sign. We're going to take the executive decision. We're going to drill through all these letters, and I've widened the lines here, so we're going to cut all this out, and there's no real room for mistake here, so fingers crossed I'm not going to mess this one up.
It sound right, boys.
My whole finger crossing thing worked out pretty well. It was pretty hairy. I mean, I got to clean up a couple stuff from the back because sometimes the blade goes a little bit, but pretty happy with it. This probably is the hardest part. This is where you see a bit more imperfections. Once you sand it, you don't see the imperfection as much. But yeah, and then this looks kind of like an R, so we'll just say that that's for Russian. All right, let's sand it and start painting.
It sound right, boys. It sound right, boy.
And here we go. It's all bedline put together. Came out really good. Couldn't figure out what to put for scale, but I was doing a Hot Wheels sign, so I figured throw some of these cool little race cars next to it. Really doubt there'll be a Hot Wheels for a Vemac. However, who knows. So yeah, really happy with it. And the bedliner I had to do because this has so much flat surface area that if I was to brush it on, it wasn't gonna come out right. And I was bedlining some other signs anyways, so pretty happy with this texture. I like the colors, everything came out great. Wasn't sure about this thing, that something was gonna snap. The project letters were probably some of the hardest things I had to cut out for a while, but everything came out great. So I really like the textured bedliner. It's tough because now we can scratch at it and nothing will come out. I mean, we don't want to go too hard with a screwdriver. But otherwise it's really good, especially on that one, because when it ships, it's kind of an oddball shape, so it's just a higher chance of being damaged in shipping. So what I actually did is I put together the little background for it, because I was making a little stencil video. So this way when I ship it, this will go in the box, and the background, the Voltec one, will protect this sign. And looks like my neighbors over there are about to start making a bunch of noise, so let me wrap it up. So I read the article on Jalopnik about Masi rebuilding the Vemac car in his garage, and since I'm a garage doodler over here making random stuff in here, I reached out and I was like, hey man, I'd love to make a Vemac sign, and that's the one I looked up online. It's pretty simple shape, it's almost like an inverse Mitsubishi with a couple letters. He's like, can you make that though? And I looked at it, I was like, I don't know, I'm not quite a human CNC yet, but we made it. Alright, great success, and let me know what else we're gonna do. On this absolutely gorgeous morning, finally it's cooling off in Florida. And look at that color pop in the sun. We got something cool. Masi sent me some stuff. It's been actually a couple of weeks, but I've been kind of slowly puddling around, not doing much. So let's see what kind of goodies we got. All right. Look at that, we got a hoodie, we got a t-shirt, and both of these have the Project Vemac on the front. And the best part, I got a whole sexy man suit. That's also a race car suit, look at that. Let me open this, look at that. Zip and everything. And the hoodie's got a zipper too, which is, I by far prefer that. So we're getting some high fashion stuff over here, you guys. Kind of want to give away at least one of these. So if you got any great ideas what we should do with these, let me know, and maybe I'll give away one or two of these. They're all size large. So really cool stuff. Thanks Masi for the sweet gear. Go support him on the Project Vemac Instagram, and great success. I'll see you guys next time. Meanwhile, I'll enjoy some of this nice weather finally after all this heat. Got some of these as well. Totally forgot they were sitting in the box. So post up in comments what we should do with all this stuff, and don't look at that yet. That's the next project up.